Hey, welcome to DayTradeToWin. Let's trade the DAX. This is during the European session. Most folks in the US are sleeping at this time, but some are up making money together with the European traders. So we have the DAX here. The DAX is following the 30 largest companies in Germany, and we'll take a look at a few trading signals here generated by the TradeScalper. When you use the TradeScalper, you would see a little bit more advanced version. This is a demo version that I have here. It only shows you the trading signals, long and short. The real TradeScalper that you'll get will show you important lines and price levels that would help you along during your trading. We'll teach you how to use the software in the course that you will get as well. Everything is taught so you can use the strategies successfully. So this here is the TradeScalper applied to a range chart. We have found the signals to be awesome on the range chart. So the first signal short here, I will just leave the chart running here and speed things up so you don't have to spend an hour watching this. Second trading signal, another short one. Here's a long signal. And here's another long signal. So let's measure the moves that follow these trading signals here. The first leg down here with two short signals for a total move of 28 points from the first signal. Then the uptrend with two long signals from the first signal, a move of 16 points to the top. So let me do a little mathematic calculations here. 28 plus 16, that equals 44 points. If you trade the mini DAX, each point is worth 5 euros. So that would be a potential 220 euros, which in US dollars would be around $250. If you would just be able to get half of that, 100 euros, $100, you would still be able to make a pretty good living. And this is just trading one contract during less than an hour. You can of course scale up to 5 contracts, 10 contracts, and so on. Anyway, you can get the TradeScalper at daytradetowin.com. We also have more free resources available for you, so check it out, daytradetowin.com. Until next time, good trading.